Today we discuss two important questions of 4 marks for 7th class in equations, the non-verbal questions. Here is one of the question. Of course we know there are two fractions. Of course the numerators are binomials and they are separated by minus. Okay. So what is the precaution we have to take in solving the question? I explained during working. So first of all, we see these fractions are unlike fractions because they have the denominators 2 and 3. Of course, we know how to subtract two fractions by converting them into like. How to convert them into like? By making the denominators equal. That means the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to, of course we know that is 6 because 2 and 3 are co-primes. So the product is their LCM, 2 into 3. Now, 2 here in this 6 3 times, so 3 times of this numerator. So 3 of 5x minus 1. Operation minus between the fractions. And next 3 goes 2 times and 2 times of the second fraction numerator. That is 2 of 5x minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Let me remove the brackets. 3 of the binomial, that is 3 5s are 15x plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 5 x minus 10x minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. This is the common error zone. Most of the students multiply 2 into binomial. 2 into binomial. So we have to consider the negative also belongs to the digit 2. So multiply by 2. If you take only 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. You will get minus 4 here. It leads to the wrong answer finally. So be careful at this area in multiplying when the two fractions are separated by minus sign. By 6 is equal to 1. So we have two pairs of like fractions in the numerator. Let them simplify. 15x minus 10x. These two can be simplified. 15x minus 10x gives 5x and minus 3 plus 4. It is plus 1. By 6 is equal to 1. So the result of this fraction is 1. That means the numerator and denominators are equal. So whenever a fraction value is equal to 1, we know the both values in the fractions, that is numerator and denominators, are equal. Here also the fraction results 1. So I consider these two are equal. In my next step, I write 5x plus 1 is equal to 6. Now I transpose this plus 1 to RHS. So 5x is equal to 6 minus 1, of course 5. So then x is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. Okay. And there is one more question based on the same. Let's see here. Okay, here is the next question. The same, but of course we have on the RHS of a fraction. But in the previous question we have 1. Let me compute on the left hand side by taking the LCM of 12 and 5. Here also 12 and 5 are co-primes. So the product is the LCM. So the product of 12 and 5 is 16. 12 5 times of the numerator. So 5 of 5x minus 1 minus 5 12 times and 12 times of the second numerator. So 12 of x minus 4, which results of RHS. So x plus 7 by 6. Let me compute the left side by removing brackets. 5 of, so I get 25x, 5 of minus 1 minus 5 minus 12 into x minus 12x minus 12 into minus 4 plus 48 by 16, which is the same RHS, x plus 7 by 6. Since we have a pair of like terms in the numerator during after multiplication, let me simplify this. 25x minus 12x 13x plus 48 minus 5 plus 43 by 60 is equal to x plus 7 by 6. Now in this case, we go for cross product. Whenever a pair of fractions are equal, the cross product also remain equal. We know, we studied already. So here I go for the cross product, that is I multiply this binomial by this 6 and this numerator by the 60. So 6 of 13x plus 43 and 60 of x plus 7. I continue here. So 6 of 13x plus 43 is equal to 60 of x plus 7. Okay. Here I don't multiply the binomial with this factor 6 and also 60. I transpose this 60 because 6 is a factor of this binomial. When I transpose this, 60 and 6 get simpler. That's my idea. So I copy this binomial on the LHS, that is 13x plus 43 is equal to 60 of x plus 7 by 6. So that I can reduce this. Now I multiply. So 13x plus 43 is equal to 10 of x, 10x plus 10 of plus 7 plus 70. From here, you know, mutual transposing from LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, that I do know. So 13x plus 10x as minus 6 on the LHS and 70 plus 43 as minus 43. Okay. 13x minus 10x, 3x, 70 minus 43, 27. So x is equal to 27 by 3. Of course, it is 9. Okay. By taking a simple precautions, that is, this is the place of danger. Instead of minus citing plus 48, at least 4 out of a class or 5 out of a class answer this as minus 48. So during evaluation also, teachers focus only in this area, whether they open the bracket perfectly or not. If it is plus 48, they continue evaluating your answer. If it is minus 48, no question of evaluating further. Entire answer will go wrong. So these are the end questions of non-verbal questions. In our next video onwards, we start working on verbal questions, that is statement questions. Already you are trained how to write an equation for the situation. The same situation, a little bit complex, will be given as statement questions. Of course, we frame the equations and also solve. So next videos onwards are very important. So please do subscribe to this channel so that you get the live updates whenever I upload a video for you. Thank you for watching.